Hello friends, welcome to Genius Education. And here is the topic we have to be discussed right now is nervous system of human being. Here you can read the first line. The nervous system or the nervous tissue are not controlled directly by the environment but by the nervous system which regulate the performance of all animals. यानी हमारा जो बॉडी सिस्टम को कंट्रोल करने के लिए हमारा पास नर्वस सिस्टम प्रेजेंट है. नॉट ओनली ह्यूमन बींग बट ऑल्सो ऑल एनिमल्स. ओके, यू कैन सी हियर द अनदर टर्म इज हियर. The nervous system comprises of the nervous tissue which are highly specialized tissue for reception and discharge of stimuli and transmission. यानी हमारा शरीर में जो नर्वस सिस्टम है उसमें हाईली स्पेशलाइज टिश्यू पाई जाती है जहाँ की हमारा स्टिमुली को पहचानने के लिए और रिसीव करने के लिए कुछ सेल्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं और टिश्यू भी प्रेजेंट होते हैं और डिस्चार्ज करने के लिए भी. And another term is here, that is you can see the structural and functional unit of nervous tissue is the neuron or nerve cell with their process is called nerve fibers. यानी हमारा जो सबसे छोटा यूनिट जो नर्वस सिस्टम का उसको कहते हैं न्यूरॉन्स एंड नर्व सेल भी बोल सकते हैं. एंड देयर प्रोसेस इज नोन एज नर्व फाइब्रिल्स. यानी न्यूरॉन्स और इसका प्रोसेस को हम दैट इज नर्व फाइब्रिल्स कहते हैं. So another thing here is the structure of neurons. You can see here are the dendroids and dendrines also. This is known as dendrites, and this is nuclear cell body action, and this is axon filament. You can see here, and the axon filament which are made by the myelin sheath, not several veer, and you can see that is axon terminal and the synapse. Another image in the below you can see which you will get very easily. यानी ये ड्राइंग देख के आप बहुत आसानी से समझ सकते हैं कि इसमें लिखा गया है कि there is the cell body और साइटोन कह सकते हैं, and this is the nucleus in the central position, and this is the Golgi apparatus is present in the cell body, and there is the dendrite, and this is the dendrite branches, and inside there is also mitochondrion also present, and endoplasmic reticulum also present, and you can see these things in the action, and this is the telodendrites, these things, and this is the synaptic terminals, and this is synapse. यानी जो डेंड्राइट्स होते हैं, जो डेंड्राइट्स रिसीव द मैसेजेस फ्रॉम द एनवायरमेंट और आउटर साइड, एंड दे आई थिंक ट्रांसमिट द इम्पल्स टू द न्यूरॉन्स ऑफ अनदर न्यूरॉन्स थ्रू दिस एक्शन. सो इसलिए हम कहते हैं कि डेंड्रॉन्स को कहते हैं दैट इज़ द रिसीवर, एंड एक्शन को कहते हैं दैट इज़ द डिस्चार्जर और ट्रांसमिशन और ट्रांसमीटर कह सकते हैं. यू कैन सी हेयर द लाइन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. यानी न्यूरॉन्स कहाँ कहाँ पाए जाते हैं. न्यूरॉन्स दैट इज़ फाउंड इनसाइड योर ब्रेन, स्पाइनल कॉर्ड, गैंग्लिया, cranial and spinal nerve, and automatic nervous system. And the neurons, yani the cell that is nerve cell, which are composed of two main parts. And the first part is known as cyton or cell body कहते हैं. अभी हम जो ड्राइंग में दिखे, एंड यानी सेल प्रोसेसेस, दैट इज साइटोन को छोड़ के बाकी सारे ऑर्गन्स को सेल प्रोसेसेस कहा जाता है. Here you can say this is the cyton or cell body, and the all process is known as cell processes. Okay, here is this, and which is written as about that is cyton. You can see here the cyton is a cell containing neuroplasm, cytoplasm. Okay, that is the neuroplasm which is covered by the cytoplasm, and there is also cell membrane is found inside there. Okay, and the cytoplasm contain mitochondria. अभी हम ड्राइंग में देख रहे थे कि माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया प्रेजेंट है, गोल्गी बॉडी प्रेजेंट है, and there is also neuroplasm is present. Okay, there is a kind of fluid that is present inside there, and another thing that is also neurofibrils also present, and the thread-like structure, that is neurofibrils. The neurofibrils are also present in the cell process. The cyton are branching dendrons contain small granules is known as Riesel granules. यानी जो सेल बॉडी में एक छोटा छोटा ग्रैनुल्स दिखने के लिए मिलता है उसको बोलते हैं निसल ग्रैनुल्स. एंड एक्शन में निसल ग्रैनुल्स नहीं पाई जाती है. और यू कैन सी हियर द सेल प्रोसेसेस, यानी साइटन के बाद सेल प्रोसेस के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. सेल प्रोसेसेस हमने पढ़े कि डेंड्रन्स, एक्शन, नर्व फाइबर्स को लेके बना होता है. Dendrons, I told you, dendroids, there is a branching like structure and it receives the impulse from the different part of the body through the neurons. Okay, and you can see here this is the action. Another thing, action which is carry the impulse, yani is carry the impulse from the I think from the dendrites to the another neurons. And here is the another thing, and we have to be discuss about this nerve fibers. Nerve fibers, yani it is of two types. One is that is myelinated, यानी जहाँ की माइलिन सिर्फ प्रेजेंट होता है उसको माइलिनेटेड कहते हैं. माइलिनेटेड. अनदर वन इज नॉन माइलिनेटेड. सो माइलिनेटेड को हमको दैट इज पढ़ना चाहिए, जानना चाहिए. तो हियर इज दिस प्रेजेंट इन द ब्रेन, स्पाइनल कॉर्ड, cranial and spinal nervous system. So about this myelinated nerve system, that is you can see again here that in the drawing, this is all thing, okay, and this is a fiber, and you can see here this is all our fibers, okay, and which is written as, उसमें लिखा गया है कि ये जो नॉड्स दिखता है, जो प्रेजेंट गैप दिखता है, इसको रणबीर नॉड्स कहते हैं. यानी इसमें लिखा है नॉड्स ऑफ रणबीर, और बिटवीन द टू नॉड्स ऑफ द रणबीर देयर इज ऑल्सो इंटरनोड ऑल्सो प्रेजेंट, एंड द आउटर wall is known as myelinated sheath, or that is myelin sheath you can say. And there is also cytoplasm also present, and the exolemma also present. Okay, this is all about that is present, and which is very important for transmit of the impulse from the I think that is dendrons to the another neurons. Okay, and then here it is over, and then go to this point, cell processes, and I told you listen right now, and myelin sheath, exolemma, and Schwann cell is also present there. And the myelin sheath basically which is made up of lipoproteins, or made by the lipoproteins. Okay, and this I told you internode is present between the two nodes of रणबीर, and here is a non myelinated on granular fiber, यानी जहाँ myelin sheath नहीं होता है उसको non myelinated कहते हैं. There is without myelinated sheath. And another most important point is there, that is synapse. Synapse, yani this is, if it is one neuron, then here is the another neuron, then there is a branch like structure, you can say there is a present, that is a gap, which is a very fluid like substance, semi fluid. This is known as synapse, and synapse is the gap junction between the two neurons. Okay, and this is very important for transmit the impulse from one neuron to another. And you can see here the function. Okay, the function, the nerve fibers which carry impulse. I told you this is now nerves, जो फाइबर रहता है उसका काम कैरी करना इम्पल्स को फ्रॉम डिफरेंट स्किन और डिफरेंट ऑर्गन्स से रिसीव करके सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम को भेजने का काम करता है. एंड उसके बाद आफ्रेंट सेंसरी नर्वस सिस्टम उसको रिसीव करता है. मोटर नर्वस सिस्टम जो है, मोटर नर्वस सिस्टम रिएक्शन देने के काम करता है. एंड देयर इज द अनदर थिंग वी हैव टू discuss this point, because of this is the most important thing. There is a type of neurons, yani there are mainly three different types of neurons we will find. First thing is unipolar, bipolar and multipolar neurons. Unipolar yani single action present hota hai and there is no dendrons, there is absent. Okay, and bipolar yani single action is present and single dendrons is present, is known as bipolar neurons. And here is the multipolar neurons, yani single action is present but there is many dendrons. So this was all about nervous system of human being, and you can note down by pausing this video. And thanks for watching me guys, and subscribe my channel to get latest educational videos.